The life science industry is very important for the UK because if you look at the situation post-Brexit, that's the time we live in, there are a couple of sectors that really stick out in terms of its importance for the UK. And the life science sector, by everybody's opinion in terms of the major stakeholders, is this probably amongst the top two most important sectors for the UK in terms of the value add that it gives to the economy, in terms of the employment that it gives, in terms of the status as a country, and the opportunity it gives really to contribute in the future. And that is also shown by the percentage of R&D globally that we managed to attract. It's about 10% of global R&D for our industry. And if you look at revenues, it's about 3%. So it really punches above their weight as a result of that. I think it's really important that the government really helps the life science sector to connect with the health system. There are many parts of what I would say is an ecosystem in the life science sector. So if you want to connect discovery, development, manufacturing, and then the use of those medicines with the various actors that play along in that, it's very important that the right conditions are created. And I think the government can really help in that regard to make sure that we do that. My biggest hope for the industry is that we really manage to make use of the breakthrough medicines that are being invented right now. I think we've had a period when that wasn't the case, but we're now in the middle of a period when there are some really breakthrough medicines coming through that in many cases can provide a cure or can make a disease that was previously the end for you now a chronic disease. And I think it's important for all of us, the leaders in the life science sector and the government and the health system, to make sure that we take up that responsibility to make sure that we create this sustainable system for the UK on an ongoing basis that can make those medicines available, and ideally also in terms of the economic part from discovery, development and manufacturing manages to benefit from that as well.